whenever one builds his house or home, you want the best things to be installed in your house. You want best for yourself and your family. Now, the when it came to the lift, I searched the internet. I talked to my friends, and ultimately, one of my cousin brothers who lives in UK, he said that this is the best lift in the world, and you should go in for this. And that's how I selected this elevator. But and let me tell you, I was completely satisfied. We have been using this elevator for quite some time now, more than 8 months, and the function has been good, and we are very satisfied. In fact, there are people living in the same complex or nearby who have come and seen this elevator, taken the feedback from me, and I have always given a positive feedback. I hope they have placed orders with you. Yes, had I been living in a private bungalow or private house, I would have certainly gone for the expansion if required with the same elevator. Excellent. The safety, in fact, the elder people like me. In fact, there are more elder people in my family than even I am. So my two of my aunts came from US recently, and they loved the elevator. They said that we feel completely secure in this. I think the best part, as I said earlier, is the simplicity of the technology and the simplicity of the controls, which adds to the confidence of the user. And in my case, it was we are completely satisfied. The elevator is very nice. Okay. See, number one is it is easy to use. It is not very heavily. It doesn't use very heavy load. So on a single phase, this works very well. I think in terms of the quality of the product, we have no issue. It is performed very well so far.